Hello my dear students, welcome you all in online class. Today we are going to discuss some more question from your exercise. Okay, so let's begin. Ninth number question, which part of the digestive canal is involved in the following? First one is absorption of food. Where absorption of food takes place? Actually mainly in small intestinal wall, that is in villi of small intestine. So more specifically, absorption of food takes place in small intestine. Second, chewing of food, means where food is being chewed, that is in our mouth or buccal cavity. Okay, so third is killing of bacteria. Killing of bacteria actually when it takes place in our stomach with the help of one acid produced by our stomach named as hydrochloric acid or HCl. Okay, so now fourth is complete digestion of food. Complete digestion of food means here the all components like carbohydrate, protein and fat. The complete digestion of food takes place in small intestine. Okay, you have to remember this portion. This is very important. Next is formation of feces takes place in which part of the digestive canal? That is the large intestine. Okay, now begins with the next slide. Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human beings. As you know that amoeba is a unicellular organism and we multicellular. So what are the main similarity and difference between the nutrition of amoeba and human being? First, the similarity, both amoeba and human beings are heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means we are dependent on others for our food. Our holozoic. Holozoic is a mode of nutrition that's come under heterotrophs. So holozoic is a mode of nutrition that is under heterotrophic nutrition. So both human being and amoeba are heterotrophs or holozoic and derive nutrition from other organism. You understood this? Very easy, na? Next is difference. Human beings have a very complex digestive system and different nutrients are digested in separate regions. So the difference here, as you know, as we are multicellular and we are possessing more complex digestive system than that of amoeba, and our digestive system is made up of so many organs and so many parts, and our digestive canals also divided into so many compartments, and different nutrients are digested in different regions in us. But amoeba have a simple digestive system and all the nutrients are digested in the food vacuole, that I have already told. No? So this will be the difference. I hope you understood this. Next, match the item of column 1 with suitable items in column 2. Here it is given that is not being matched in your book. So the answer is column 1, column 2. I have matched the following points. Salivary glands, that is responsible for saliva secretion, and next is stomach. As you know, stomach is responsible for releasing of acid, that is HCl. Liver secrete bile juice, so bile juice secretion. Then rectum, that is storage of undigested food, and from rectum the undigested food passes or excreted out through the anus. And small intestine, here digestion is completed, means the complete digestion of food component like carbohydrate, protein, fats takes place in small intestine. So digestion is completed in small intestine. Next is large intestine. Here the absorption of water from the undigested food and others. Okay, so I hope you understood this column 1 and 2, and you can match these by your own, I know that. Okay, now comes to the level figure. So here I have marked some portion with red ink the portion that is above the stomach, that is esophagus. Next is here, you can see, that is gallbladder, and here J-shaped organ where the digestion takes place, and from the esophagus food is passed into the stomach. Next is the gland pancreas. Next is large intestine, and from stomach small intestine is actually originated, and they are actually very loop-like structure, and these are called small intestine. And the posterior portion of large intestine, that is called rectum, and the last part of the large intestine from where fecal matter or undigested materials are excreted out, this is called anus. Okay, so I hope you understood this diagram. Also, you have to draw this diagram in your copy and show it to me in e-portal, and also the all question answers which I have discussed in your online class. Now the next question, can we survive only on raw leafy vegetables, grass? Discuss. Answer will be no. We cannot survive only on raw leafy vegetables because they are mainly consist of cellulose. As we know, we are carnivore, not herbivores. So here the raw leafy vegetables, they are mainly consist of cellulose, that is a type of carbohydrate, but that cannot be digested by us due to lack of cellulose digesting bacteria and cellulose digesting enzyme, that is cellulase, in our body. That's why we cannot survive only raw and leafy vegetables. I hope you understood. If you have any problem, just ask me in the e-portal. I will tell you the answer. If you are facing any such queries or problem, ask me again. Okay? Thank you, students. Stay well, stay safe.